So we were just driving, thought we were doing everything right, and all of a sudden there's a cop behind us, and there's no lights, but there's the thing on top of, there's light bars that stop. And I guess we waited too long, then they flicked the lights on at us, so we pulled over, and come to find out we need our passports to travel. And keep it on you at all times. So now they let us go, whatever, we're good, but next time it's a €25 fine, and always keep your passport on you. Lesson learned.
Oh, we just got to our test track that we're supposed to be riding at. They definitely got some rain overnight, but right now it's not looking so hot. A lot of moisture in the ground, so we're kind of just at a standstill, making some decisions if we're gonna get out and ride today or not. But right now it doesn't look so good.
Looking at the track, got a Germany rider out there right now. Don't look too bad actually, but I don't know if we're going out or not.
Yes, we have a wash place.
Waschplatz, alles klar.
It's okay.
Well, got back here to the house. Today was not the day we were hoping for. Hoping to get out on the track, get loosened up a little bit. But man, the track wasn't actually too muddy, but there was standing water everywhere, and we just decided it wasn't worth the risk of maybe sucking a little water today and blowing up our machines. I mean, me and Joel have two, but we still only had our, our premier race bikes with us, and then Chad only has the one, so it wasn't worth it to ride today. But we're looking forward to the weekend, and saving the machines for then. I came back and got on a run. Joel went and got on the assault bike, and I believe Chad got work on this morning. So we're staying active, trying to stay loose, and looking forward to Saturday. Tomorrow's tech, and get through there, and everything's leading towards Saturday, and then Saturday leads towards Sunday. So we're super excited for it. Ready to get going. With tomorrow being tech day, we're just hoping to get through it. The sound requirements over here got even more stricter than the past 2 years, so it's always a challenge to get through, but I think we covered all our bases and we're ready to get through. Just always a little nervous with new rules being enforced and seeing how things go.